to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the fam. My name is Kayla Rouser-Davis, and I'm back with a new video, of course. So I took a poll. Well, I didn't take a poll, but you guys took a poll, and I made sure to put red and orange, or do you guys want me to do purple and pink? And a lot of you said you wanted me to do red and orange. So I did this like red, orange, coral, peach combo, like all those colors to scream summer to me. This is a gorgeous summer look, and I'm very pleased. I used some new products, and I had some L's. Well, I didn't have any L's, but I kind of did have any L's. You'll see in this video. But yeah, I really love this look. Like, I'm looking in the mirror right now, and I really, really love this look. Like, it looks gorgeous. This will look good on any skin tone. And yeah. So if you guys want to get this look, stay tuned. So I already did one eye off camera, so this is gonna be quick and easier. And also I will be naming the brushes that I will be using. So my eyebrows is done. If you guys want to see a brow tutorial, I'll make sure to have it up above in the card so you guys can see that. It's really a bum and easy brow tutorial. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. I really, really love this palette. It's just so freaking gorgeous. Like, this is like the perfect spring and summer. Basically, this is like the perfect summer palette. So I'm going to mix these two shades, like this muted peachy orange and this coral. Two shades, and I'll be using my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm just going to take the muted shade and then go in with the peach, like the peachy coral shade. I'm going to use my Anastasia highlighter, the Amrezy one, and I'm going to use my Juvias Place blender brush, and I'm just going to put that in my brow bone. I'm just going to use my e.l.f. makeup set, mist and set, to make sure it's a nice highlight. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Huda Desert Dust palette. You guys know I love this palette so freaking much. And I'm going to take the shade Blazing, which is this pretty orange. And I'm going to use my Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush. Next, I'm going to take this red shade. First, I'm going to use my Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush, and I'm just going to pat that all over the lid. And then I'm going to use my MAC 217 brush to pat and blend in the crease. Okay, so time for the glitter. The glitter I'm going to be using today is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter, and this is in the shade, I'm going to say style. This is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm also going to use another glitter from Rude Cosmetics, and this one's in the shade, this was in the shade You Glit Up My Life. And it's just this pretty glitter. It's like orangey with red, really gorgeous. And I'm just gonna put it on the top. It did come with a top. I'm just using the top to pour the glitter in. For my mascara, I'm gonna take the Makeup Shayla. For my mascara, I'm going to take the Makeup Shayla Maybelline Collab, the Big Shot Mascara. For my top lashes, so now I'm going to take my lashes, and a lovely person sent me these lashes. She actually sent me a bunch of lashes, so thank you so much. This is the Lash Catalog, and this is the packaging. Like, super freaking cute. And you can follow her on thelashcatalog.com, and she also has a Twitter page, so make sure you check her out. These are 100% luxury mink, and they're also hypoallergenic. So just in case you guys have like really sensitive eyes, this would be perfect. This would be perfect for you. And these are the lashes. Like, I really love the packaging. The glitter doesn't come off or anything, so that's really, really good. The glitter is like actually stayed on. But this packaging is so freaking cute, and this is in the style Romance. But you guys, these lashes are gorgeous. And I'm going to wait until that dries. So until then, I'm going to go in with my Fenty primer and prime my face. Okay, so today I'm going to use my Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream Foundation. And this is in the shade Sienna. Sienna is a little dark for me, but you guys, I haven't used this foundation in a minute. And it's about time. Because I used to love, well, I might not be able to use it. I'm going to try my Ouuuuu, which is the Coverfx Natural Finish Oil Free Foundation and the Makeup Forever Foundation. Oldie but goodie. You guys know that's my favorite combo. I have to go foundation shopping. So now I'm going to go in with concealers, and I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealers in the shade Deep in Tan Sand. Now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So now I'm going to go back in with that orange and that red to do the lower lash line. So next I'm going to take the NYX Wonder Pencil, and this is in the shade Medium. And now I'm just going to go on the bottom with this mascara. Okay, so I'm going to take my highlighter and I'm going to put this in the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in the shade Mahogany. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to use the Juvias Place blush, and I'm going to use this pretty orange shade. And I'll put that on my cheeks. Yeah, my hands get so dirty when I do my makeup. Like, look how orange that is. Gorgeous. And then I go in with my Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil, and I'm going to use Mimosa Sunrise as well on my cheeks. I'm going to use this on my cheeks as well. And it gives me a nice like glow as well. And I put it like on the apples of my cheeks, so it can look more like a satin. Then I'm gonna go back in with my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Oh, for the lips, let me spray. Y'all, I love this stuff. Like, this stuff is $4 at Ulta, at Walmart, at Target. This stuff is $4. And I also have a mattifying one, and they also have a illuminating one. Like, this stuff is amazing. I forgot how much I love this stuff. Like, this gives me a nice, clean canvas. Like, it doesn't make me look cakey anymore or powdery. Not cakey, because I don't look cakey. It doesn't make me look powdery, because you know how you be looking dusty and stuff like that. Like, this makes my highlight just, everything just melt together. It's one. It kind of reminds me of an Urban Decay long lasting setting spray, and also MAC Fix Plus had a baby, you know. Hopefully that makes sense. But I love the setting spray. This is by far my best setting spray. So I'm going to use my K-pop pencil. Then I'm going to use the Colourpop Makeup Shayla Collab lipstick in the shade Ouuuuu. And it's like this pretty, like, peachy, peach coral. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Shayla Colourpop Collab lip gloss in the shade Neat Freak. Y'all, this gloss is bomb. It's so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, comment down below another color combo you guys want to see on my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.